Hi guys, John here, the head of trading at AudaCity Capital. Hope you're all well. So today I'll be talking about Daniel, one of our traders on the Funded Trader Program who has successfully hit 10%. He achieved this target today. We paid him and we doubled his account. So now he's going from managing 15,000 US dollars to 30,000 US dollars. So congratulations to Daniel for doing that in just 5 weeks. So again, I'll say that one more time. In 5 weeks, he has achieved 10% on the account and now has gone to stage 2 today. So what I'd like to do is just to take you through the journey of his trading on how he started with us on the 28th of April, as you guys can see here. That's when we gave him the $15,000. That was the start date, deposit date. And as you can see, this is where he achieved this target, and we did the business of paying him and double the account. So as you can see, it's a very nice and neat P&L. It's not there's no high frequency trades. It's not over trading. It's pretty much a clean sheet, as we say, selective trading. So I'd like to talk about his journey and show you how he got there, how to making the 10% return. So if we just look at first of all the pairs, the instruments he's been trading, so we can see that it's mainly been forex throughout. One trade on gold right here. He had the authorization to do that. So for those people again who question on whether you could trade commodities later on down the line, again, you know, if you see someone doing well, making good consistent gains, as you can see here, and then they request to trade commodities, we are happy to allow this person to trade because they prove themselves, they're making money, they're up on the account. So like I said, show and prove, and we will offer flexibility. Okay, so let's have a look at how it all started. So the first trade he took, as you can see the volume, he started off with big volume. He went trading with the maximum exposure of 0.5, which is the most you can open on a $15,000 account. So that's the most you can open on a $15,000 account, 0.5 at any one time. And his first trade was the big win. He made over $500 on that trade on the euro pound. So already he has got off to a very good start, almost halfway of just hitting his 10% on that one single trade. So then, as we can see, his next trade that was executed, that was filled on pound yen, the market went against him there, so he pretty much went back to almost break even, just slightly up on the account. And then he just kept on going at 0.5 and had some wins, then had another big loss, more or less, and then again recovered that successfully. So he then started to lower the volume. Pretty much, he stopped going 0.5. He realized that he took a few good trades, got the account up, and now he had to minimize the risk and just gradually make profit on the account so he can actually go towards hitting the 10% target. So again, FX, cross pairs, major currency pairs, as we can see here, that's what he traded. And as we can see, he was aiming for a good number of pips. So the risk management, the money management was calculated precisely. So he had a good risk to reward ratio on his trading. He was winning more on the winning trades, losing less on the losing trades. Yes, he had maybe, you know, one, two, couple of big losses, but he also was equal with that. It was equally matched with big wins in the market, or a series of big wins like here. So again, you know, he was trading selectively. He was entering, buying low, selling high. Obviously, I don't know his strategy personally, but I could tell with this kind of trading, it's selective trading, high probability trading. He wasn't rushing the market. He wasn't over trading. He wasn't making amateur mistakes. And most importantly, above all, he traded within our parameters, our risk parameters and our trading parameters. He did not break the rules. So for those people out there who say that it's almost impossible to make 10% and you have to pay the £99 monthly fee, and you're going to be paying that for 5-6 months in order to hit your target, well, look, 5 weeks. In just 5 weeks, he made 10%, and he's not the first one. He did it in 5 weeks' time, and now he's managing 30,000. And the beauty of it, it's real money. You start with real money straight away. So he got paid real money, of course. We paid him and we doubled it. Now, if he does this again in 5 weeks, making 10%, he'll be on $60,000. So for those of you out there who applied for the Funded Trader Program, who wanted to come on board but were more scared, skeptical, worried, concerned, whatever word you want to use, that you're not going to make 10%, on whether this is real or not. This is as real as it gets, guys. Wake up. It's not hard to make 10% trading the markets. If you're going to think about the money, you're going to think about the volume, the exposure, and the trading parameters and the risk parameters. If you're going to see that as a setback, you're going to see it as something that's going to hold you down, then yes, of course, this program is not for you because you're not a skilled trader. But if you're someone who can trade with skill and you have a profitable trading strategy, none of that will be an excuse. None of it. You can make 10%. You will get paid. You will have your account doubled. AudaCity Capital specializes in that. We specialize in paying people, doubling their accounts. We go from day one, we go with real money. Everything is real. We don't deal with evaluation process. We don't deal with demo accounts. We don't waste our time with all this nonsense. We believe in going real in the deep end and getting down to business. So guys, again, you have it right there in front of you. Numbers don't lie. Statements don't lie, okay? These are the volume. These are the pairs, FX market. Just one trade on gold, just one, okay? And it didn't even make a significant difference. For some people that say, I can only make big money on commodities, this nonsense. Look how much he made on FX. He only took, what, almost $100 on gold? Nothing major there. It wasn't a changing figure in the account. Volume, he was within the limit. I don't think Daniel even went into a drawdown. He was up from the get-go. So that was no drawdown there. He didn't trade the news. He didn't hold trades over the weekend. He didn't need to do any of that. So, it's doable, it's possible, it's real. Join the Funded Trader Program and do likewise. I'm not saying you have to do it exactly the way he did, but what I'm saying is you can make 10%. You can hit your target within a short space of time, a month, just over a month, less than 2 months, it doesn't matter. You are trading real money, you're getting paid, your account's getting doubled. So, this is for you. If you can do it and you believe you can, do not hesitate to join. Do not hesitate and do not doubt yourself, because it can be done. So again, congratulations to Daniel, and I hope to be talking about his next successful journey from 30,000 to 60,000 when he makes his 10% at stage 2. And I'll see you guys very soon and talk to you again. Take care. Bye for now.